Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a custard tart. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and blind bake the pastry shell until light golden. Meanwhile, whisk 4 eggs, 1 cup sugar, 2 cups cream, and 1 tsp vanilla until smooth. Strain the custard and pour into the hot shell. Bake gently until set but slightly wobbly in the center. Cool fully before slicing for clean, glossy slices. Start by cutting 8 oz cold butter into 2 cups flour until pea-sized crumbs form. Add 3/4 tablespoon ice water and gently bring the dough together without overworking. Flatten into a disc, wrap, and chill for at least 30 minutes. Roll to 3.5 mm thickness and line your tart tin, trimming edges cleanly. Dock the base, freeze briefly, then blind bake with weights until lightly golden and set for a crisp shell. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable comfort during long kitchen sessions. I love them for standing at the counter while the tart bakes. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Warm 2 cups cream with 1 tsp vanilla and a pinch of salt until steaming but not boiling. Whisk 4 eggs and 1 cup sugar until pale, then temper by slowly adding warm cream while whisking. Strain the mixture to ensure absolute smoothness. Pour into the pre-baked shell placed inside a shallow water bath to moderate oven heat. Bake until the center still jiggles slightly, then cool to room temperature before chilling overnight for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.